In this video, discover the foldable drone you can wear, and explore whether this is the future of travel. Then reality hits. The bag is bursting at the seams, a chaotic mess of clothes and gadgets threatening to explode. Cameras, chargers, adapters, and maybe even a portable speaker are all packed to set the mood. And then there's the drone, if it can even fit, a bulky piece of equipment that demands its own dedicated space. Suddenly packing becomes a game of Tetris, with every inch of available space optimized. It's a pre-travel ritual familiar to many travelers. The challenge? Drones are amazing for capturing memories, offering perspectives that simply can't be achieved any other way. They elevate travel documentation to a whole new level, but they're bulky, require their own case, and add significant weight while taking up precious room in luggage. Often drones are left at home, sacrificing incredible aerial shots for the sake of convenience. The struggle is real, but what if there were a drone that could actually be worn? A drone that eliminates the bulk and the hassle. Yes, that's right. Prepare for a complete revolution in travel photography. Imagine a drone that folds up seamlessly into the straps of a backpack, becoming an integrated part of travel gear. No extra case, no awkward packing, just pure, unadulterated travel freedom. No excuses to miss that epic aerial shot. That breathtaking landscape is now just a quick deployment away. Now let's get into it. Dive deep into the world of wearable drone technology. Introducing the foldable drone backpack, a marvel of engineering and design. At first glance, it looks like a regular stylish backpack, the kind seen on any modern traveler. But tucked away, cleverly concealed within the straps, is a super slim, highly capable drone. Simply pull it out, unfold the arms with a satisfying click, and it's ready to fly in under a minute. The speed and ease of deployment are truly remarkable. No tools, no hassle, just pure, unadulterated flying fun. Portability is where this drone backpack truly shines. This device can be worn through airports, on hikes, and while navigating crowded city streets, even during daily commutes. It becomes an indispensable part of everyday carry. It barely adds any weight, feeling no different than a regular backpack. The drone itself is lighter than a water bottle, a testament to its ingenious design and lightweight materials. The backpack is designed with ergonomics in mind, distributing weight evenly across the shoulders and back for maximum comfort. Plus, the battery is swappable, a feature that proves incredibly useful. There's no need to wait for a charge to catch that sunset flight. Extra batteries can be kept on hand and swapped out on the go. Now it's demo time. See this device in action. Launching is as simple as placing the drone on the ground, ensuring a stable and level surface, or even in the palm of a hand for those truly spontaneous aerial moments. Tap the app on a smartphone, connecting seamlessly to the drone, and enjoy smooth, stabilized footage. 4K quality, gimbal and all. The image quality is truly impressive for such a compact drone. Obstacle avoidance? Check. The drone intelligently navigates its surroundings, avoiding collisions with trees and other objects. Follow me mode for solo adventures? Absolutely. The drone will automatically track movements, capturing stunning footage of hikes and explorations. So who actually needs this? Who is the ideal user for this innovative piece of technology? Travel bloggers, hikers constantly seeking new perspectives, or anyone who loves documenting adventures and sharing them with the world will find this device a game changer. It completely transforms the way travel experiences are captured and shared. Whether biking through scenic landscapes, walking along a bustling city street, or even running a marathon, the drone becomes part of the outfit, ready to capture the action at a moment's notice. No more worrying about missing the shot because gear is packed away in a bag. The perfect moment is always within reach. There are countless potential uses. The possibilities are truly endless. Scouting new trails, surveying campsites for the perfect spot, or capturing a wide cityscape when exploring a new place and wanting to showcase its grandeur. The convenience factor is huge, making it easier than ever to incorporate aerial photography into daily life. And honestly, it's just fun to use. There's a certain joy in effortlessly capturing stunning aerial footage. So is this the future of travel? It might be, or at least a significant step in that direction. Wearable tech is already everywhere, from smartwatches to fitness trackers, so why not wearable drones, seamlessly integrated into daily life? Share thoughts in the comments below. Opinions and perspectives on this innovative technology are welcome. Would a drone backpack be embraced as the future of travel photography, or is this just a cool gimmick that will fade away? Subscribe for more tech discoveries, in-depth reviews, and explorations of the latest innovations. See you in the next one. Stay curious and keep exploring.